Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Optus SIM card on your phone. So first of all, you need to make sure that your physical SIM card, your Optus SIM card, is correctly inserted into your phone, and then go to the activation page from the browser. The easiest way to access it is to do a quick Google search on Activate Optus Mobile SIM, and then tap on the first result here, which will get you to the activation page. Now you need to tap on Get Started here at the bottom. And the first thing you need to do is to enter your SIM number, which is found inside your SIM card pack. So it's a 13 or 19 digits number, and you'll find it here like above the barcode. You need to enter it here and then tap on Validate SIM. And once you validate your SIM, you will be redirected to the other steps where you need to select your plan or your subscription details and then confirm your identity and enter the details that are asked from you. And then your Optus card or your Optus SIM card will be successfully activated.